way. Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. I decided to vlog today. I don't know, I just felt like it. But I am on my way to work, and it's a cool fall morning. I love this weather. I got maybe like 15 minutes before I'll be there. And yeah, I just wanted to pop in real quick. If I get a chance to come on before the safety meeting this morning, I will do that. All right, guys, talk to y'all later. So guys, I did make it to work, and I just tried to go through the turnstile. Typical, my badge won't let me in the refinery, so I gotta head back over to badging and get my badge reactivated, I guess. So all right, if I make it before the safety meeting, I'll come back and holler at y'all before I go to work. But if I don't, I will see you guys after 12 hours. Hey y'all, hey, it is lunchtime, and I just want to share with you guys what I did bring for lunch today. So I do have my kombucha in this canister because it stays cold. I did bring 3 bottles of water. I had 2 eggs in there. I already snacked on those earlier, and that's my cayenne pepper. And then I also have this apple. Now, it's not keto, but I did have it left over from the cleanse, so I'm not going to throw it away. And more water. And then I do have my almond butter to eat with my apple. It's so good. Y'all, Justin's is addictive. Justin's almond butter is so addictive, but I try not to eat too much in one setting. And this is my meal that I did prepare, and it's spinach and pork pieces with bacon bits and tomato seasoned real good. I typically wouldn't cook this together, but I had to get something together quick, so it worked. All right, guys. Hey y'all, so I just made it home. It's about 14 hours since I last spoke with you guys. I am home now doing a little bit of meal prepping because it's a little bit early, so I can prep my lunches for the rest of this week. I fixed some last night, but I only made like 3. And I'm gonna need my lunch for the rest of this week, and I'm gonna also need my food that I'm gonna be eating once I get home. So yeah, guys, I find that when I do the meal prep that it's easier for me not to get off track versus coming home and finding something to eat, or versus going to work and trying to buy a plate lunch or something like that. So yep, I might come back and holler at y'all when I get out the shower. I look a hot mess. Look, try and listen. Today was a long 12 hours, y'all, but I am blessed. I am very thankful. I am very humble. So if I don't talk back to y'all tonight, I will talk to you guys in the morning on my way to work. Hey. All right. Peace.